This is for Zone 1 mount CCT control function. Receivers was paired as two zones. Select Zone A. On/off Zone A. Short press WWCW for 5 grid color temperature. Short press brightness plus brightness dimming 5 grids. Select Zone B. On/off Zone B. Short press to control color temperature and brightness. Could long press for griddless control. Long press any zone key until all zones indicate lights on. Control all zones at same time. Long press to griddless control color temperature. Select any color temperature. Long press for griddless dimming. Could choose any brightness. Zones for key are seen DIY keys. Could DIY and save lighting effects for 4 zones, such as zone. Had DIY and saved zone as cool white, zone B warm white.